Welcome again to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can share your VPN internet to other devices. For example, a television, a laptop or a computer, a smartphone, an iPhone, and other devices, provided that they can support Wi-Fi hotspot software. So don't forget to subscribe if you are a new member right here. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and in case you get any problem, the comment section is open. So let us start by liking the tutorial. So this is what we're going to be having. We're going to be having this application. Open Google Play Store, and then you're going to download Every Proxy application. As you see, that application called Every Proxy. On the device, we're going to connect the VPN to. I'm going to be using two devices, and I'm going to use numbers 1 and 2. For example, this is the first device that has a VPN application working for your network for a secure internet access. So this is the device 1. On the device 1, install this application Every Proxy, and then after installing it, you're going to go and connect that VPN application that works on your device. For example, let me connect this application. Let us wait for it to connect for like a maximum of 2 seconds. As you see, it has connected successfully. Once it has connected successfully, you're going to head over to your Google Play Store again, and then in your Google Play Store, you're going to open this application. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Now, this is the Every Proxy application dashboard. Allow all permissions that will be requested to you in this case. And then after, we're going to come right here where you see HTTP proxy. And then you're going to go right there where you see the on and off button. Make sure that you put this one on. Once you put it on, you're going to come and then go where you see the menu, but you're going to be putting just this one on. Once you put this on, let us first see the socks proxy. We're going to just put the HTTP proxy on. Once you put it on like this, you're going to also put on your Wi-Fi hotspot. You're going to open your menu and then put Wi-Fi hotspot on. And once you put Wi-Fi hotspot on the other device, for example, you have another device, you're going to put Wi-Fi on. Now listen carefully in this case. Let me try to put on another. I've put another camera on. Now this is the other device I want to put to share the internet with. It may be your television, your laptop. Just follow up the procedures. Now you see, you're going to scroll up like this and then look for Wi-Fi, or go to settings on your other device, that one, and then look for wireless and networks. Then you're going to choose Wi-Fi. Just look for Wi-Fi. Let me just look for my Wi-Fi in this device. This is Wi-Fi, and then my device is called 17 Pro Max. My code 17 Pro Max. This one, sorry, I have this one, 17 Pro, and then I'm going to put in my password. Let me try to put in my Wi-Fi password. Let me pause the video. In that case, I'm done connecting. As you see, it has connected 17 Pro Max. It has connected successfully. Now, what are we going to do now? We're going to go. This is the Wi-Fi connected 17, and then you're going to open that network you are connected to. Now you're going to go where you see. By the way, we're going to just long click. We're going to just long check. We're going to just long check like this, and then you're going to go where you see modify network. When you go where you see modify network, you're going to go where you see We're going to enable this one, show advanced options, and then the proxy, we're going to set it to manual, and then the manual, we're going to put in the proxy host name. It is the one you are seeing as the IP address on the first phone. For example, once you see the first phone, you see 192.168.100.158. This is what you're going to be putting right here. Put 192. Let me pause. I'm done typing that one in the proxy host name. Now we're going to scroll down and then put in the proxy port. As you see on the first phone, I have the port as 8080. It is what I'm going to put right here, 8080. And then after, we're going to scroll down, and then don't set other things, just leave them as they are. Then check save, cancel, and then save. After saving, it will now, your Wi-Fi will be sharing internet with this one. For example, you can test whether the internet has connected successfully. Let me try to search something here on Google. For example, MyRustech. Let me try to search. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friends. And in case you get any problem, the comment section is open. So give it some few seconds. It will be sharing the internet on your second device. So that is it. Let us be meeting in the next tutorials. I'm MyRustech and I sign out.